back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this product right here. This is Eelhoe Gold Protein Collagen Combination, and I got it off the website Ocpud. I don't know, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. It's Ocpud, but I'm going to have a link down below in the description and tag it in the comments as well for you if this is something you're interested in. But let's go ahead and get into the product. You can see I have no makeup on because I'm going to go ahead and try it. I'm not really sure what to think, but anyways, this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so there wasn't really instructions on here. It does say on here the product description. It says it's the combination of protein line and gold liquid can effectively promote skin rejuvenation, improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and enhance chin line and radiate youthful radiance. It says perfect for all skin types, especially for dry skin. My skin usually does tend to be dry. Let's see, the notes, nothing, again, nothing, no description on how to actually use it. So we are going to try. So we're going to take out one of the vials. Okay, so here's the vial, and we're going to go ahead and spray. Okay, don't really like the spraying, so I'm going to spray it on my hand, and it is kind of a gel. You see it? So I'm just going to put that on my face. Okay, I do like this serum. It feels really lightweight, and I like the texture of it. I guess this one vial is supposed to last a week if I understand it correctly. And these are supposed to be collagen thread. So I think you put that in where your wrinkles are. And I have like this one wrinkle across my forehead that drives me crazy. So that is where I'm going to put it if I can figure out how to open this. Okay, so it took me a little bit to get the metal part off, but I did. And it has this rubber cork on it. So you pull that off. Then you have the thread here. I'm just going to take the thread and put it right into where the wrinkle is. Probably put some more of this stuff on. Okay, so I tried putting it in like a pool of the serum and it dissolved. So I'm putting some more of the serum on my forehead and putting this right into that wrinkle. And if it still shows, I will put more stuff on it. There, I don't know if you can see it, but you did see me put it on, so there it is. And I am going to spray some more of this. Okay, so I did rub the serum in over the top of it and rubbed it in until it kind of dissolved. Don't know if you could see that. I do feel like it reduced it quite a bit. In fact, I think I reduced it a lot. I'm going to go do some makeup and then come back and give you my final thoughts on this product. Okay, so I did some makeup. I didn't do a lot, but enough because I really wanted to see how the product would do putting makeup over it. And I have to say that I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Usually there's a really bad crease right here and it kind of looks cakey normally, and it doesn't look that bad. It's not over pronounced like it usually is, so I'm really pleased with that. I do like this product. I think it's great. I do recommend trying it. I really don't have anything else to say, so that is it of this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. And otherwise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.